Have you been playing N64 and suddenly you see an error that looks like this? Well, today I'm going to show you one of the very common fixes to that, and it starts with your memory pack. This is one that I just picked up. These batteries are getting to be about 20 years old, and so the life cycle on them is starting to wear out, and so this could be a very simple fix to your memory pack. Before we get started, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe down below. And if you like watching live streams, then I stream on this channel every Friday and Saturday night at 9:30 p.m. Mountain Time, 11:30 p.m. Eastern. Let's get into it. Now, as I said, these memory card packs are getting to be about 30 years old, and so the storage in here is gonna start losing files because it can't save them. Why can't it save them? The reason that this works the way that it does is because it needs a constant supply of voltage, a very small amount, in order to keep the information that you stored on here, and that is why we're going to be replacing the battery. So these are the three things that you need, not necessarily a screwdriver this long, but it does need to be a small Phillips head screwdriver to get these 4 screws out. And I believe the size of this screwdriver, there's a number 2, which is way too big. I believe it's either a number 1 or a number 0. Now, obviously, once you have those 2 screws out, it comes apart just like that. And there you see the printed circuit board. That is all the memory card is. The rest of this plastic is just fluff. Pull it out and flip it over. It is hot glued in, so you may just have to pull it on a little bit. Flip it over, and there's your battery. Now, the crazy thing about this battery is it's not seated in all the way. But being that I believe there's no way of me knowing how old that battery is, so I am just going to change it out regardless. Take your screwdriver, push it out a little bit, and pull it, and yeah, this looks like it is the original battery because it does have writing. I know you can't see it in the camera, but it has writing in Japanese on it. So that it's a pretty good indication that's what it is. So now all you got to do is make sure that the plus side, there will be a plus sign right there on the battery. Make sure that the plus sign is up and slide it in. Make sure it goes all the way in, because if it doesn't make good contact, then it's not going to work no matter how many batteries you change. So now we flip it back over, put it back in there, and put our screws back in. And I'm going to speed through this next part because you don't really care about me putting screws back in. Okay, let's go test it out. Alrighty, so here we go. I have loaded up Cruising USA. Now there's only one controller. Okay, that's fine. Start, and there the game pack works now. And it looks like, because I just recently got this this save pack, and it looks like some people had some games saved. They've got all the levels open. Interesting. Let's do it. Let's do an easy one. I guess I can't change the color of the car, but in any case, that is the short, sweet, and to the point repair of an N64 memory pack. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, work hard, play hard, game hard. But above all else, be excellent to each other. Bye.